Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to send PDF document to anyone on WhatsApp. Now go to the person's WhatsApp contact, and then to send the PDF document to them, you click on this file icon, and then you choose on document, and you go ahead and locate the PDF where it's downloaded. So I have my own under downloads. So you can actually select document to filter every document on your device. This is actually the document I want to send. You can see it's a PDF file. So just double click on it, and then wait for it to load up, and you click on send. Now once you send it, this is going to load up and display and be sent on the other device. So I'm going to go over to this device, and the message just popped in. You can see it right there. You click on it, and then you download it. Once you download it, you double click and then you open it, and that is all I want to show you. This is just how to send a PDF document. So if you have any question regarding this or any challenges, let me know on the comment section. I am going to resolve that. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.